under 30,000 euros. Full hybrid, 7-seat size family SUV, and it gets 4.7 liters per 100 kilometers. This is the Dacia Bigster Journey Hybrid 155, and it might be the most ruthlessly practical car at the Brussels Motor Show. Because while everyone debates whether to spend 50 grand on an electric SUV, Dacia just built the argument against all of them. The exterior design is the biggest surprise Dacia has ever pulled off. This is not a budget car that looks like a budget car. The Bigster wears its size confidently, 4.57 meters of deliberately bold proportions, with a wide stance and squared-off wheel arches that make the Duster look like its little brother. And that is exactly the point. The roofline carries a two-tone color option that adds visual length, while Y-shaped LED signature lights front and rear create a look that would feel at home on something costing 15,000 euros more. Dacia knows their customer has been told to feel embarrassed about the badge for years, so they designed this to make that impossible. The interior of the Bigster is where Renault's engineering money quietly ended up. Soft-touch materials on the dashboard, a 10.1-inch portrait touchscreen running the latest media nav system, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard on the Journey trim. The seats use a recycled fabric that feels genuinely premium, not the scratchy eco-material you expect at this price. The driving position is commanding, visibility is excellent, and the ambient lighting gives the cabin a warmth you do not associate with a brand famous for stripping everything out. Rear passengers get serious legroom. Adults will be comfortable on longer trips without complaint. But here's the detail that nobody is talking about yet. The Journey Hybrid 155 is the first Dacia to use a full parallel hybrid system, not a mild hybrid shortcut. That 4+2 automatic gearbox, 4 petrol ratios, 2 electric-only ratios means it actively drives on electricity in urban conditions. At this price, that changes the value calculation entirely. The boot delivers 667 liters, with all seats in use, bigger than a Volkswagen Tiguan. Fold the rear seats flat, and you approach 1,600 liters. Dacia has never built a more practical car, and that number alone makes the Bigster a genuine working family vehicle, not just a lifestyle purchase. The powertrain story is simple and effective. A 1.2-liter turbocharged petrol engine combined with an electric motor delivers 155 horsepower combined. 0 to 100 takes around 9.8 seconds, adequate for a family SUV. The real headline is 4.7 liters per 100 kilometers on the official cycle and 107 grams of CO2 per kilometer. For a car this size, those numbers represent genuinely lower running costs than most of the competition. At under 30,000 euros in Journey trim, the Bigster Hybrid 155 undercuts the Skoda Karoq Hybrid by nearly 10,000 euros and the Volkswagen T-Roc by even more, while matching them on space and beating them on fuel economy. If you need a family SUV and you need to spend your money wisely, the question is not whether the Bigster makes sense. The question is why you would look anywhere else. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.